Hello, good evening, sir. Yeah, this is Shani, visiting faculty, Potticherram Telugu University. So, as part of the program, so as I am participant in FTP program, so right now I am presenting a, a PPT using OBS video editing software. So here today I am going to present what about digital file formats. So I am using the OBS software to present my video. So this is my video. So just I'm starting with the what is digital file formats generally used in nowadays. So this is the PPT format. So first we will start with the digital formats. What are the formats that are available in market? So first format, digital format. So formats that right now we are just using all we all know that we are using the laptops and computers and even mobiles. So whatever we use camera, so it will be saved in a JPEG format. So what is the JPEG format? How it will be saved? So these are the things that I'm going to tell you. So first it will start with the what is a pixel? So pixel is a small dot. So then it comes to resolution. So resolution and compression, color depth, encoding, pick place elements. So pixel means tiny dots on a computer. So what is pixel is called is a pic, small dot on a computer screen. So resolution is a number of pixels in a unit area. So pp is pixel per inch per computer screen. So dpa, what we I mean generally we just ask how much is dpa is required to save the particular picture in jpg. So it is called a dot per inch for printable surface. So this is the basic initial formats that we are going to discuss in later. So this is the thing, digital format, more pixel, more sharpness of the picture. So if a picture consists of a more pixels, it will give good quality of picture. So then encoding. So encoding is a process of transforming the information for computer in a way specified as per the format of the file. So compression, another is a compression. Compression is defined as the process applied over the information where computer removes unnecessary chunks of information forms the file in order to make it consume less space on computer. So generally we just using the formats. Generally we are using video formats to compress the file size so as to keep in a small format so that it will not occupy larger space in our computer. So more compression, so more loss of quality. This is the thing. So one more thing. Next, color depth. So color depth is the number of bits assigned in order to represent a single pixel in an image. The number of colors in an image is known as its color depth. So it is represented by number of bits a pixel uses to show colors. So next, basic computer graphics. So we have two types of computer graphics: vector and beta. Beta map, and beta map is also considered as a roster graphics also. So vector graphics, what is alphanumeric strings? So uses a mathematical approach, lines, curves, highly scalable as far as possible, as large as possible. So this is generally in a format of cliparts, which use cliparts. So that is are made with the help of the vector graphics. It occupies less space on a storage. So resolution, it's a resolution dependent. It's a vector graphics. So next is a parameter of bitmaps. Bitmap is comprised of pixels, resolutions, and scalability and size of bitmaps. So parameters of bitmaps. So not scalable. So it's not easy to scalable. So fixed resolution. So there will not be any. You cannot I mean, just enlarge and you cannot do anything more than that. It's a fixed format. Not change size of a bitmap. It's a resolution dependent. More pixels, more quality. Higher storage space. Also, it will take higher space on our computer. So digital format. So digital format we have RGB colors: red, green, blue. So image RGB 24-bit to 1 pixels. So RGB is called 24-bit in a 1 pixel. So image in CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black mode. It's a 30-bit to 1 pixel. So suppose 1 is to 1 in 160 into 120 pixel is equals to 160 into 24 bits. So it will comes a 450 size. Next. So intimate format. So BMP format, bit format is Windows. Generally, it's available in Windows software. So picture file format is the default image format of Apple Mac computers. So next is JPEG. It's also a JPG. So Giant Photographic Experts Group allow extension level of compression while maintaining quality of image for online purposes. So next GIF. GIF is a graphic interchange file format. A restricted number of colors like logos only it will be used for logo creations. So it will be used for online purposes. And TGA format, Targa file format. So generally we use background BGs we will use in you will see in broadcast purposes in television and in educational purposes. We will see the background of the anchor, background of the person who is presenting the particular theme, particular course. So it will be background graphics. It will be useful broadcast purpose. It will be more useful in broadcast purpose. Next tip formats, tagged image file format. So high end format for print. So generally we suppose we go for a large size print material. So generally we will just design in Photoshop and just give it to in a dip format. So as to give more richness to the image wherever just we will go for in a flexi we will go for in a hoarding, so it will be all transfer into a TIFF format. So next PNG format, portable network graphics format for cell phones. Generally we just use for cell phones internet devices, so it's a easy format, so you can even you can is available in our uh, paint box also. So the way where we can just use JPG format, PNG format. So in order to save our files that we have drawn from so our using our creative skills. So in paint. Next, vector file formats and beta formats. CDR. What is CDR? CDR is a Corel Draw default file formats. So generally we will see extension of this file. So this is called CDR. CDR is Corel Draw default file format. So AE format, Adobe Illustrated default file format. WMF. So window metal file we say call as a Windows meta file. So cliparts, EPS, encapsulated postscripts. So can be stored in vector or bitmap format. So next, bitmap and raster images, lossy formats. So it's a lossy format. So JPEG encoding also logos, lossless formats. This is loss. We cannot we cannot lose any quality of the picture. So if we save in bitmap and raster images. So this is the tag image file format. So generally we are using the hoarding purposes. So it will be we cannot the quality will not be lose. We cannot be able. We can just have the exact quality what we have just given the output. So it will be same quality on hoardings what we just given in the bitmap format. So .dng digital negative format. So raw format by Adobe Incorporations. Next, file format .raw. So RAW typical lossless raw image file format. This is the JPEG standard actually include a lossless coding mode. So, but that mode is not supported in most products. So, multiple edits. So, if you take them in a JPEG format, if you go edit this thing and take to editing purpose and just use and just export this thing, so if you go on just using that particular image, so it will one generation loss from one image one when we are using the image. So if we after editing this one, so again we will save it in a different file. So then we can have them on one generation loss. So it will be just we are losing every time we just will take and edit and save it. It will get one generation loss. Next, TIFF format. So TIFF format is a leading commercial standard. So universal mode supported file format for Mac and Windows. So TIFF supports 48-bit data per pixels. So TIFF supports most color spaces like RGB, CMYK, components color. These are the things. So next DNG file formats. So digital negative file formats. So Adobe generally will use this DNG formats. Highly compatible quality, photo editing, Photoshop, Photo Paint, Fireworks. It's just Fireworks, Aperture, and Lightroom just uses this software to create DNG formats. So video formats. What we have video formats? AI format. So audio video interleave. So VME format, Windows Media Video. So move format, MOV file will call this move and QuickTime format. So MKV is a Matroska format. So MPEG 4, which is we all know MPEG is a more popular format. So next AVCHD, Advanced Video Coding High Definition FLV FLV and another is the FLV and SWF flash formats. So this is the video formats. So MPEG, what is the MPEG format? So most digital devices and platform supports MPEG 4. So rendering it the most universal video format around. The MPEG 4 can also store videos, files, audio files, text, still images. Additionally, they can retain and uh, high video quality while maintaining the relatively small price. So this is the all what I am going to give you the different formats. So thank you for this video giving the opportunity to create a and using this software OBS software. So I have made a small file. So this is a PPT presentation. So I have used window. I've taken the window option. So and I have taken the display option also. So I have taken both these two options. So I have created this video. So thank you for giving me opportunity to create and participate your FDP program. Thank you so much.